Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make dal palak, one of the easiest dishes to make and very tasty. And I have added the ingredients in the description box. And let's get started. I have taken a cooker and to this I'm going to taken half cup of Moong dal which I have soaked in water and drained the water out. Quarter cup of toor dal, the same thing, soaked in water, drained the water out. Half an onion sliced, 15 garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes sliced, 3 green chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of salt, and 3 cups of water, and we are going to cook it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, the pressure is released. Let's open up the cooker. Now we are going to mix it. I'm just going to mash all the garlic so that it brings out a good flavor to the dal. Now I turn back the stove again. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of chopped spinach, mix the spinach to the dal. At this time you can adjust the salt. Now we are going to cook the spinach uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's make the tadka. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee, once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Now add the tadka to the dal. And add a little bit of coriander leaves, and you can turn off the stove. Now let's serve the dal palak, or the way which I say it, DALAK. Now let's try our dal palak. It's so creamy and it's hot. That's a delicious one. The dal and the palak with the ghee, and the flavor is enormous. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.